Everyone loves katsu from Japan, pero yung katsu has gone all over the world, and what we are going to do today is literally ikotin natin yung mundo by changing up the flavors. Kaya, let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
I start off, ito yung aking chopping board. I wrapped it in, plastic wrap, and I will show you. I have my chicken pieces here. Half it, no? Ganyan. And we want to flatten it, no? Para lumapad siya at lumaki. I will just score it underneath. Ayan, ayan. And I will put it under my cling wrap. Diba? Look at that, no? So convenient. Naka-wrap siya ng ganyan. I will just open it up, put it underneath, and begin to pound. Ayan. Sobrang easy. At if you do this, hindi tatalsik all over the place yung inyong chicken juices. We don't want that to happen, no? Let's do that. We have our chicken. And of course, we will season both sides with salt and pepper. Generously, dapat malasa. And when you season, dapat hindi ganun malapit. Dapat malaki. Kaya ipapasalt be, may reason yan. Para yung salt mo, kakalat, no? That's the reason na ninalayo mo yung salt so that it seasons even. Kasi pag masyadong malapit, it only seasons one area. So may logic, hindi lang siya pabongga, ha? Yan. So 4 pieces of chicken. And that's done. And we're ready to make our breading. Very classic. Ating gawin, flour, seasoned with salt and pepper. Yan. Eggs mo, seasoned with salt and pepper, always, para may lasa din. And of course, to give it an extra crunch, we will be using good quality breadcrumbs using Good Life Bread Crumbs. Ito, my breadcrumbs are ready. So ito siya. I will do a classic, but you can, switch it up a bit. Seasoned with salt. Yan, mix everything up. Remember to mix it up. And we will mix up the other things in. So, here I added parmesan cheese and herbs. And here is what I did with the others. So, ito siya. Usually gusto natin ng mga breaded pork chop, breaded fried chicken, breaded fish. Ito siya is a way to transform it into something even better than the usual. So, ito siya. What we'll make 3 versions, but you can make more depending on your creativity and what you have available. So, ito siya to make it European, Italian. We're using breadcrumbs, and we add parmesan cheese, dry and fresh herbs, and of course, we don't forget to season with salt. Yan. And imagine if you use that for your breaded food. Ay, ang sarap, di ba? Oh, ito, iba naman. Yung gagawin naman natin, Cajun flavored. Oh, perfect for your chicken fingers, chicken wings. We just add our Cajun seasoning. And of course, season with salt. Yan. Ito naman, same base recipe. Sobrang daling gawin. But, let's now go to Taiwan. Let's make our Taiwanese fried chicken or Taiwanese pork chops. 5 spice powder. Ayan. And of course, seasoned with salt. And we're ready to dip in our flour, eggs, and flavored breadcrumbs. So remember to adjust the salt depending on the ingredients you add. So if you're adding salty ingredients, just like our parmesan cheese, you use lesser salt. But for our herbs and spices, just add enough salt to give it all the flavor it needs to make the flavors pop out. And let's start. Very simply, mix everything up. Flour. Alam nyo na yan. Egg. And of course, our Good Life Bread Crumbs. O, diba? So easy to do. And what you can do, alam mo, yung gagawin nyo dito, you have your extra plate. What you do, you can chill this and fry it later. Kahit tomorrow, you fry it tomorrow, ready to fry na siya. So I have here plain katsu, classic katsu. What I will do here, I will add 5 spice powder. O, gagawin ko na siyang Taiwanese. Diba? Ang dali lang ng buhay natin. Naging ibang putahe na siya. Flour. So ito, don't limit yourself by making just chicken. You can use pork cutlets, you can use even beef, no? Mas maganda yung quality ng beef mo. You can use seafood, ostrich, kung may ostrich kayo, no one's stopping you. May dalawa na ako. Dalawang flavor ng aking katsu. Ayan, put it there. And I think I can fry both now. Taiwanese style with the 5 spice. I'll fry my plain. Ayan. And I will go now with my Cajun flavored breadcrumbs. So that everything's sticking very nicely. Ang bango na, no? Time to turn around. Cooking evenly. Ay, ang ganda. And alam mo, if you chill this, mas kakapit yung ating breadcrumbs. Very nice. One hand is clean, no, for cooking. One hand is clean. One hand is quite messy. Yan. And the last one, ito. Ito naman yung Italian. O, di ba? Topping mozzarella cheese. O, happy. And, what that? Luto na, oh. Very easily. Perfectly golden. Perfectly crisp. And, of course, kailangan natin ilagay sa ating colander to let the excess oil drip off. And when you fry, para hindi mag-waste ng oil, what you do is you remove all the breadcrumbs para hindi mag-itim-itim, no? When you fry the next batch, walang didikit na mga black spots. And we're ready to fry our Cajun-style chicken. You can make chicken fingers as well. I added a little bit of paprika lang. And fry away. Mabango din, no? And ito siya. 4-in-1. One recipe. Kasi sabi ko nga lagi, dapat nakafocus ka sa technique, nakafocus ka sa science of the cooking, and you can make anything. Kaya guys, bumili na kayo ng aking bagong cookbook, ang Kitchen Secrets Cookbook, available na sa Lazada and Shopee. And you will learn not just these recipes, but so much more. Nandun yung mga tips, techniques, mga secrets na dapat nyo malaman para maging magaling kayong kusinero. Yan. And it's so beautiful. Look at that. And ito siya, no? Once you're cooling your, nag-drip na siya. Tip ko lang din, di ba tatabi na natin yung first batch. Why? Because ayaw natin na magpatong-patong yung ating pinirito, no? Because once you let it rest, you let it drip, nangyayari dyan, all the steam will escape and it will just steam on the batch na nauna. So, kailangan talaga naka-expose ang both sides. Kaya nga colander yung gamit natin, no? Kasi nakakasingaw yung steam dun sa mga butas. And if you trap it all by putting one katsu over the other, what's going to happen? It's going to become soggy. To serve this, we will make a very nice Asian slaw. O, di ba? I'm just going to mince some onions. So we have our minced onion. And what I will do here, I will season it with salt, pepper, sugar, and vinegar. Inuna ko siya. Why? Because gusto ko medyo maluto ng konti yung ating onions with our light dressing para matanggal yung sharpness niya. Because not everybody likes the taste of raw sugar. So, eto siya. It will denature the onions. And I will prepare my red cabbage. Dress it with our vinegar mixture. Toss everything together. And we will add our mayonnaise. So I'm using Japanese mayonnaise here. You can use regular mayonnaise. Yan. Mix everything together. And to bring out that Asian aroma, we will add Good Life sesame oil, which is actually made from toasted sesame seeds. And it has a very nice, nutty, alam mo, yung nakakatakam talaga na amoy. Happy, of course. Try this at home, our Chicken Katsu platter na may medyo pabongga ng konti with our side of Asian slaw. Simpol!